Hello, this is a beautiful activity for English grammar. The topic is parts of speech. As you all know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 parts of speech are there. The first page is of noun. Here you can write the definition of noun and examples of noun. Right? Second is adverb. What is adverb? You can write here. You can write examples and you can also paste pictures of examples here also. The third is verb, definition of verbs and examples. Adjective, it is on fourth number. An adjective describes a noun or a person. Examples are here. The next is number 5, that is preposition, definition and examples. The next is conjunction, definition, examples. This is pronoun on 7th, and on the last page you will find interjection. So it's a beautiful activity. You can do it for your kids in your classroom, at your home, to make aware about parts of speech. It is beautiful and interesting and colorful activity. So thanks for watching video. You need just origami papers for this and you can make it, and few sketch pens. Thanks for watching this video. Do like this video, share, comment and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video.